As a Mac user, you benefit from the seamless integration of many of the open standards of Mac OS X in connection with the Fritzbox. From installation and the first configuration all the way to shared use of printers or data in the network, all of the Fritzbox functions are available throughout the Mac network. In the following, we would like to show you a couple of examples of the many potential uses of the Fritzbox and the Mac. Off we go. If the Fritzbox is not connected with your Mac yet, it is easy to establish an encrypted wireless connection over the airport menu. Enter here the password printed on the bottom of your Fritzbox's housing, which is assigned individually to each Fritzbox X works. Click Join, and voila! Your Mac is connected with the Fritzbox. The capabilities of the Fritzbox are revealed in its user interface, which you can open with Safari or any other web browser. You can reach the interface by simply surfing to the address fritz.box. If the Fritzbox was not yet configured and never connected to the internet before, a wizard starts automatically to take you through the necessary steps. Since this Fritzbox is already configured, we can take a look at all of the possibilities of a Fritzbox network. The wireless network, also called Airport by Apple, can be renamed here. This is not a must, but a new name may make it easier to keep track at a location with multiple Fritzboxes. The WPA2 password we entered before can be changed here. The wireless Lan Monitor shows you which network devices are currently connected with the Fritzbox. Here, for instance, you see a MacBook Pro along with an iMac, both of which are connected via the fast wireless standard 802.11n. An iPhone and an iPad are also located in the network, although the iPhone's transmission is, at 54 megabits per second, slightly slower, supporting only the 802.11g standard. Since the Fritzbox supports all standards, it is no problem for the devices to be located in the same network and communicate with each other. At the USB port of the Fritzbox, a printer can be connected, which then can be used by all of your Macs jointly. There is no need to leave any certain computer switched on all the time. If you have USB flash memory connected to the Fritzbox, you can release it for sharing in the network and allow it to be accessed with the Mac via the FTP or Samba protocol. To enable the flash memory as a drive in the Finder, select Connect to Server in the Go menu. The Samba protocol offers users who log on this way read and write access to the drive. The Fritzbox can also serve as a media server to make music, images or videos from a connected hard drive available via the UPnP protocol. By the way, a special Fritz clip goes into more detail on this using the example of the Xbox Media Center for the Mac. These are just a few of the many functions available to you with the Fritzbox. What is more, the Fritzbox also works as an innovative telephone switchboard, accepting faxes and calls that are displayed to you in Apple Mail or on the iPhone, and much more.